Peace be upon you, and Allah mercy and blessing. Introduce myself. My name is Intan Permatasari, commonly called Intan. I was born in Banyumas on May 1, 2002. For my last education history, I graduated from Vocational High School majoring in Office Management at Ma'arif NU Wanwangon Vocational School in 2020, and now I'm studying as a student at Nahdlatul Ulama Al-Ghazali University, Cilacap, Study Program of Islamic Education. For organizational experience, I have participated in intra-school organizations at SMK Ma'arif NU Wanwangon as a section in the field of information and communication technology. I have also participated in the PMR organization in SMP and SMK. I have the ability to operate Microsoft Office and the internet well. Supple on work fast is my advantage. I really hope to be accepted and be able to join CV Indobi Global Mandiri. Thanks. That's for my introduction. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Character education of Lengger dance. Character education is a variety of effort made by school personnel, even those carried out together with parents and community members, to help children and adolescents to become or have a caring, opinionated, and responsible nature. For example, respecting teacher, respecting friends, and appreciating a work of art. Character building is one of the government's concerns in advancing the action to be better and civilized. Meanwhile, the rapid development of information technology brings positive and negative impact, especially for the younger generation. Negative things are easier to enter in the mind of the younger generation. Character education is expected to be a guide to strengthen the nation's character, which is better and embedded in every nation. Further character education can be done through various activities, not only limited of family activities, but in the arts, especially through the media of dance. Character education can also be instilled. Dance is one of the learning media that can instill character in children. Motor and fine-motor development in children can also be honed when dancing. Character education can be carried out and instilled with various artistic activities, both in school, formal, family, and community. Positive values contained in motion, music, fashion, floor pattern, and storylines that can teach positive thinking and behaving in the environment. A person who has good character will be appreciated more than someone who is smart but does not have good character. This can be supported by local wisdom. Containment is art and culture. Then is a culture work that is full of educational philosophy, including high discipline, perseverance, patience, calm, order, tenacity, and unclouding attention. Studying dance seriously and with high discipline can make a person learn to control himself from things that are not good. It's all big now together that dance has existed since human civilization began and was passed down from generation to generation. The style and nature of dance in Indonesia is very diverse. This is because Indonesia is a country of various ethnicities and race. Thus dance reflects the richness of culture in Indonesia. According to Sudarsono, dance is expression of the human soul which is expressed in beautiful rhythmic moments. Saying this, how important dance in education. It is hoped that the dance will remain oriented to local cultural values and the natural environment. Dance is packaged in the form of performing arts, containing educational values that can be used as educational media for teenagers. These values are comprehensive, dignity, humanity, unity, democracy, and justice, and can be used as guidelines for thinking and acting, cultural for human beings' personality, and in society and the state, so that dance cannot be separated from aspects of drama and music. Dance can play a role in advancing the nation of state through the appearance of drama, story, plot, symbol of motion, sense of musicality as the spirit of a performance procedures performed by dance structure, motion of imitation, nation, and staging of staging tasks. In this case, the Indonesian nation and state of creators and owners of cultural stakeholders, especially dance, should appreciate culture as a medium of national education based on the values of Pancasila and the 1945 Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia. Traditional dance is a dance created by the community is a simple form that has an element of beauty and the results are shared. Traditional dance that developed in the Banyumas area include Kumbang, Kentongan, Minor, Bongkel, Muyin, Golbang, Gendong, Buncisan, and Lengger Calung. Meanwhile, Lengger Calung of Lengger dance is one of the Banyumas art which is a popular dance and has been around for a long time. It is not known of sure, but it is estimated that since the colonial period, colonizers until after independence still existed in the Banyumas community. Lengger dance is a typical Banyumas art. Etymologically, Lengger comes from two syllables, one, which means whole or female, and ger, which means coxswain or male. So Lengger can be interpreted as a man who performs a dance that looks female. In theory, Lengger dance functioned as a ritual ceremonial dance for the fertility and the harvest of the Banyumas community, an expression of the life of an agrarian society or farmers. But now there has been a shift in function, which I used is a entertainment events, Thanksgiving, celebration, wedding, and cremation. The movies for the movement of the Lengger dance include Geol, rhythmic and dynamic following the rhythm of calung music. Calung is a typical Banyumas musical instrument made of bamboo and has a very distinctive sound color. At first, the Lengger dance was danced by men who dressed like women, but now it has shifted to being danced by women. The number of Lengger dancers that were originally danced by 2 to 4 people can now be danced by more than 4 people, and even in book. Makeup and clothing are paid in such a way as to follow current development and tastes, but do not live Banyumas cultural values. The fashion consists of long cloth, kemben, and sampur, hair in a bun decorated with flowers and jawadi, mantul, bracelets, necklaces, earrings, bracelets, necklaces, earrings to make it look attractive. Lengger dance teaches the values of character education, including divine values, discipline values, creative values, independent values, values of love for the homeland, values of appreciating achievements, values of responsibility, and values of togetherness. Lengger dance can be an alternative to help students reorganize and appreciate arts outside the region. Besides, the dance world develops to be interested by the younger generation, so that it's become a generation of characters. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.